And it has the original radio and the original 8-track, and this gentleman wants them to work. Well, I got my radio guy working on it. I think he can do it.
Is that the guy in Garden Grove?
Yes, Car Radio Center. He probably won't like that I'm saying that over the internet, but he's a good guy. He's fixed a lot of things for me. We just recently had a problem with that little XK140 over there where we put a modern radio in it with Bluetooth and all that kind of stuff. Now that's a 12-volt car, positive ground, so we changed the polarity on the car and it worked fine in the shop, and then we'd drive it on the road and the radio would just cut out, cut in, cut out. So we looked for everything we could find. We couldn't figure it out. He came in and he did some testing and he said, make sure there's good ground on the engine. So I made sure of that. We put another ground on it. That worked. And I changed the voltage regulator because it's an old generator, so I figured that maybe that's... And you're not going to believe this. We put a set of authentic style spark plug wires on, which are solid copper centers. And I've worked on a lot of cars that have solid... This is not about door locks, by the way. I've worked on a lot of cars with the solid wires, and usually the only problem we have is a little static at an idle when the car's running. You usually hear it. The cars around you get to pick up on it too. But we put silicone centered wires in it, and it went away. So whatever it was doing was building up some voltage surges or something. I mean, because that's in the engine compartment. The radio's in the car, and there's no high tension wires coming into the car. That didn't make sense, but he's a sharp guy. That's all I can say.